you want to go from this to this, just keep watching. So in this video, I'll be using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in Blackest Brown, and I'm starting by brushing up my brows into the correct place that I'd like them to be. Now I'm taking the pencil and outlining the bottom of my brow. Then I comb the brow hairs down and outline the top part of my brow. Then I finish filling in areas where there are gaps. Make sure to use a very light hand when applying the product, and brush the brows every now and then to distribute and blend the product. Now I'm going to take my concealer and a small flat brush to clean up just the bottom of my brow. And I just blend that out with my finger. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye.